Here we go, guys.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, representing the NWO from Busan, South Korea, weighing in at 210 pounds, the Idol of Princess.
I can't watch this entrance. I heard this one backstage talking up their own work non-stop. Well, why don't they get in the ring and prove it, huh? That's what they're doing right now, Corey. Well, good. Let's see what they've got then. Always walking around with a chip on his shoulder. He's going to use that anger against his opposition.
The WWE Universe just exploded.
Representing the NWO from South Korea, weighing in at 100 pounds, the Idol of Magical Girl.
Looking out at the countless members of the WWE Universe in attendance, they are all here because of matches like this one. He's physically and mentally prepared for the task at hand in this big-time match.
You can see by the look on his face that he came here tonight to send a message.
He's certainly determined to prove a point, and that's that he should be on top.
Well, he has the opportunity to prove that point tonight, Corey. We'll see if he's all bark.
But you cannot overlook his opponent, as intense as they come. Not exactly the superstar you want to be standing across the ring from, but unfortunately, he already is.
Ah, shot to the back. Wait a minute, setting in. Devastating submission coming.
Achilles lock.
It wasn't fancy, but they're free.
Oh, and it's reversed.
Oh, man.
A running hurricanrana.
It takes a certain level of athleticism to pull that off. Went for the springboard and missed.
Oh, what a clubbing blow.
Inside out by the German.
And bypasses the pinfall.
A little too soon for that cover to be effective, but he is making a statement by going for it at this point.
Bang, drop kick. Gets out of the ring. What's going to happen now? One step ahead there.
My goodness, came down like a hammer on that arm.
Taking a little tour of ringside, and I guess we're one of the pit stops. And he's absorbed some stiff offense already.
Sure, he's taking some stiff shots, but he's still Ready for takeoff.
Adrenaline can make you do crazy things. Exhibit A right there.
And he tosses it back in now.
Evasive maneuvering there.
Deep arm drag takedown.
Oh, strong impact.
Good golly, Miss Molly.
Right on the patella.
Ooh.
Into the cover. This might be it. Breaks the count.
And you gotta think he's just one final blow away from not kicking out next time. Watching like a predator with wounded prey. He's as good as done here.
Springboard, but nobody home.
Boom! Tilt-a-whirl facebuster. Thinking about a surfboard submission? No! Double stomp to the legs.
Carefully measuring, waiting to strike.
Drop right across the neck.
Scoop slam!
He's just looking absolutely bullied right now.
Time for some quick thinking on his part. He's getting on his feet, vulnerable to what's coming next.
From the top rope. Meteora!
It looks like he could get it done here.
No, he gets the shoulder up.
What a match.
Taking this thing out onto the floor now. What a way to get out of that one.
He's pushing back now.
He's trying to seize the opportunity to get back in the match.
Delivers an axe handle.
What a chop.
Not done yet. Natural selection.
Oh, stop, stop, stop. Followed by a forearm smash.
He's going to make some moves here or suffer the countout.
Really feeding off all of his faithful fans. Sit-up axe driver. He's got this one in the bag now. 2. He wins! He wins!
Here is your winner, the Idol, Magical Girl.
He definitely got the job done tonight.
You have to hand it to them. They found an opening, even when it looked like things could easily turn in their competitor's favor here.